Male and female communication is fun. What do we mean by what we say?
They're seated for a couple minutes into this meal when suddenly she blurts out, "That's the worst meal I've ever made." He said, "No, it's not, honey." Now, where's that going? Can't you see her saying something like, "What are you saying? What did you mean by what you just said?" "Okay, mama's boy. You're saying that I've made thousands of worse meals than this one. You can just go move in with her a couple weeks and let her feed your fat face." But what if he was full of goodwill? What if when she said, "That's the worst meal I've ever made," he went, "No, it's not, honey," meaning by what he said, "You've never made a bad meal." What if that's what he meant by what he said? That evening is shot, folks. She was all over him, right? Then again, maybe over the last several months, he'd been making some snide remarks about her cooking. So when she said, "That's the worst meal I've ever made," he went, "No, it's not, honey." His tone, facial expression, all of them sent a different message. And that message was this: "I do have to say, you treat me like a god. Another burnt offering." That evening is shot. Now the question is, why does this kind of thing happen?
Come to the Love and Respect Marriage Conference, where you will learn what your spouse really means by what they say.